Hi, it's been a while since I created a video. I'm going to get ready to upload all of them here shortly. And I've skipped a few things I did because a lot of them are already on the internet, like how to do the Grizzly Grip on top of the roof. I did rip mine completely apart though, unlike some people who just did sections and redid the whole roof. It took 5 coats of Grizzly Grip, but it worked fantastic. It's beautiful looking. And I used the dove gray color. What I didn't find online were videos talking about attaching an awning rail for your awning to the Grizzly Grip. Now, I called Derek at Coleman Popups. I called and talked to some other people. Searched the internet a lot on how to attach something to this Grizzly Grip. Now, these rails that they ship are made of ABS plastic like the old roof was. And the adhesive they used before was incredibly good. It has to be, or when the wind is pulling on the awning, it'll pull it right off. So I talked to the people at Grizzly Grip first, found out their product is petroleum based. However, contrary to what some people say, and I did talk to their engineer, not just somebody on the phone, it has been designed to accept any kind of adhesive. So then I called the people at Gorilla Glue because I like their stuff. It works well and it's reliable. And we talked. And we ended up choosing their Gorilla Glue Heavy Duty Ultimate. And the reason we did that is because in talking to them about 2-part epoxies or different kinds of adhesives, they said since this kind of thing is going to be in different kinds of environment, cold weather, hot weather, it's going to get pulled on when the awning's being in a bit of a wind or something like that, 2-part epoxies wouldn't be recommended. And the reason for that is because they're brittle. They're very, very stiff and brittle, and they won't flex at all. So that came down to the construction adhesives or something similar. And after a long conversation, we settled on this ultimate heavy-duty construction adhesive they make because it is a flexible adhesive that will expand and contract, and it will put up with yanking on it when the wind is pulling on the awning. Now, I can see I've only attached part of it because I wanted you to see what it looks like. It does set up very quickly. I had to work very fast and try to make it look clean and smooth because when you press down on it, it is going to ooze. And you have to make sure, they said, that it is spread across the entire trough here. And you need it to make sure it's filling in any holes or anything else so that it will hold. And since this Grizzly Grip and the material, the fiberglass material underneath it, left an uneven surface, I had to make sure I put plenty on there. As you see it, and it's on there. It ain't coming off anywhere. So I just wanted to update you. This is what I've done. I'm getting ready to put the other half on now. And once that's done, I'll let it cure for 24 hours. Should be able to hang up my awning. Got a lot of other things yet to do. I'm getting there. I've repainted the entire thing, all new fixtures. Everything's brand new, and even re-decaled it. But it's getting there. One little thing here makes everybody smile when they come in and look at it. I found this on eBay. But anyway, if you have any questions, go ahead and write a note there and I'll answer as best I can. Otherwise, just don't use 2-part epoxy. Use a good construction adhesive, a really good one, and you should be good to go. All right, thank you.